it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I'm here today because I have my Fab Fit Fun box. I'm so excited. It is my favorite subscription box that I've ever gotten, and I've been a member for, gosh, 2 years, over 2 years now, and absolutely love everything in it. It's kind of a lifestyle box, all different kinds of things in it. So first of all, what I'm going to show you are some add-on items before I get into the box. What FabFitFun does is that they allow you to purchase some things in addition to your box. Every month they have the add-on store that opens up at a certain time, and they have a bunch of different things that are drastically discounted. And so I'm going to show you some of the things I got. So the first thing that I purchased from the add-on store was by Juice Beauty, and it is a brightening gel cleanser. So this is nice. Little pump on here. The next thing I got, oh, this is a candle, and I really like the jar that the candle is in. Is that so pretty? Look at that. And it is called Calm Before the Calm. Be Still with Eucalyptus. And so it's eucalyptus and something else. Smells really nice. It doesn't have a real heavy eucalyptus scent to it, but I thought this would be a really nice jar to have even after the candle is finished burning. The next thing I got is, it's by Sonage, S-O-N-A-G-E, Luminez Vitamin Rich Cream. So this is like a moisturizer. And the last thing that I bought in addition to my box is by Noto, N-O-T-O, and it is a moisturizer cream. So another facial moisturizer. Okay, so those are the extra things that I purchased. Now, FabFitFun comes out 4 times a year. You can get the VIP membership where you pay up front for the whole year, and that makes your box come, I think you get a $25 discount when you sign up for the whole year. Normally these boxes are $50, $49.99, something like that. But if you, like I said, if you sign up for the whole year, instead of paying $200 for the year, you pay $175 for the whole year. Okay, they come with these cute boxes. They're adorable. I mean, just really cute. You could, you could actually put like a little sticker thing over the part that says FabFitFun, and then use this as a, a gift box of some kind. All right, the box always comes with this little catalog kind of thing, and it gives information about some of the products that are in the box, as well as this very helpful section that shows each item in the box. It tells how to use it, what it is, how to use it, and its retail value. Now this box comes to a total value of somewhere between $226.99 up to $314, and that just depends on which items you get in your box. So if you're not a VIP member, everything that you get in your box is a surprise. If you are a VIP member, then they send you an email about a month before the box comes, and for some of the items, they give you choices. But in every box, you'll still get things that are a complete surprise. So even though you are getting to choose certain things, then other things are going to be fun and surprising to you. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. All right, this was one that I had a choice of, and let's see what the choices were. So I had a choice of either getting a bathrobe or a backpack or this. And this right here is an essential oil diffuser, small. Oh, it even comes with an oil. That's nice, I didn't realize that. So here it is. You take the top off, fill it with water, and then also put in some essential oils of your choice. Put this on. There you go. And then turn on the little button. And yeah, here's the cord that goes with that. And then let's see what they gave me as an oil. Oh, it's a blend called Happy, and it has an orange on the front, so I'm guessing it's a citrus blend. So that's kind of nice. I really didn't expect it to have an oil in there. So So yay, very excited about that. And let's see what this one says. So this says unplug meditation aromatherapy diffuser. Turn your home into an unplugged meditation studio. Diffuse happy while watching the diffuser change colors for the ultimate Zen experience. The tip, they give little tips for how to use things. Sometimes the tips are no-brainers, but it says you can blend happy with other essential oils. Check out page 24 of this little catalog for our favorite diffuser blends. And this retails for $55. Now I told you that the whole box is under $50, and so to have this first item be $55, I've just made up the cost, and so everything else, you know, is going to go beyond that. Okay, the next thing, let's see, I got a choice of 2 different kinds of sunglasses or a picnic set that had like plates and utensils, or a brightening sleeping facial, but instead I chose sunglasses. They're by My Girl, or no, Quay, Australia, My Girl in black smoke. Okay, so here are the sunglasses. Let me just put them on. Oh, nice, they fit nice. Hopefully they look nice on me. I can't really see in the viewfinder very well, but yeah, these are nice. Nice big glasses. So cool, and a nice little case to keep the sunglasses in. This says, with black hardware, chic metal accents, and an oversized frame, these cat-eye sunnies can be rocked by any gal. And so the tip says, style these with a high ponytail to emphasize the sharp cat-eye shape. They retail for $55. Okay, so the next item, this was another one that I got a choice. I had a choice of copper-plated measuring spoons, or an aromatic body lotion, or a mystery item I could have chosen. They said that the measuring spoons were valued at $15, the body lotion at $19, and the mystery item at over $20. I chose the measuring spoons. I thought they looked really cute. Okay, so here are the spoons. There's 4 of them here. Aren't they cute? I like to hang my measuring spoons, and so I have a little thing on the wall in my kitchen that holds each one, and so I thought that would be cute in my kitchen. So yay. And it says they're by, Giadzzy. That's the name of the company, I guess. Copper-plated measuring spoons, perfect for baking or cooking. The copper-plated measuring spoon set is the perfect chic addition to your kitchen. And the tip says, check out page 12 for Giada's favorite spring recipes. So Giada De Laurentiis has a little page in here, I guess, right here, that gives some different recipes: an antipasto salad, burrata and kale, salsa verde bruschetta, and a chocolate hazelnut drop cookie. So very fun. They always have just fun stuff. Oh, another thing I want to say is if you're a member of FabFitFun, you get access to videos they have. They have exercise videos, they have cooking videos, a bunch of different kinds of things, and so you can utilize that stuff in addition to getting your box set. Okay, so the next thing I got is a water bottle it's called Sip by Swell. This is it. So, and the value of that is $19.99. It says sip in style while reducing single-use plastic consumption. Whether filled with a hot or cold drink, the stainless steel bottle is insulated to keep your drinks at just the right temperature. So it'll keep hot things hot and cool things cool. I could have chosen a necklace valued at $30 or a translucent setting powder at $22. So, but I'm happy I chose the water bottle. Okay, the next item that I got is by Tula Probiotic Skincare, and it is a purifying face cleanser. That's a really nice size bottle. 6.7 ounces or 200 ml. And let's see, It says this isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving skin balanced and clarified. It's valued at $28. The tip says massage the cleanser onto wet skin in small circular motions and then rinse. See, sometimes the tips are good and sometimes they're like no-brainers. I could have chosen the Daily Concepts Detox Brush for $18 or a jump rope for $15, but I am very happy I got the cleanser. And then the last few things I did not get to choose, so these are surprises to me. Let's see what we have. A large jar here. This, Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Oh, it's a nice big container. Let me, I live at high elevation, so things tend to explode when I open them. Oh wow. It smells really good. It's black. It's very charcoal-y looking, and it's champagne. I don't know. I was going to say it smells more like grape, but yeah, nice exfoliating scrub. Let's see what this says. I got it on my hands. Okay, Manna Kedar Champagne Body Scrub, formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. This one is by, I don't know how to pronounce this company name. OUAI Hair Care. This is a leave-in conditioner. Oh, nice. So it is 4.7 ounces or 140 mil. And let's see what this says. Oh, it must be pronounced way because they say and they spell the word. We're way obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. It's valued at $26. And one more item. See, aren't these neat things? Okay, so the last item is it's by Dr. Brandt. That's probably a skincare thing. No More Baggage. Oh, if this is an under eye bags thing, I'm going to be very excited. Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More. No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I could definitely use that. Visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. It's valued at $42. And use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly under your eyes. Let's open this up. And kind of a small container, but for just taking a pea-sized amount to put under your eyes, you don't need a lot. How large is this? It is a half an ounce or 15 grams. So, yeah. I am really super excited about this. So let's see, what did I end up getting? I ended up with my aromatherapy diffuser, some sunglasses, measuring spoons, a water bottle, some face cleanser, leave-in hair conditioner, under eye gel, and a body scrub. So really, really nice things here. And let's see what the value came to. So my box came to a total of $265. It said that it ranged between $226.99 and $314. And so $265, is that what I just said? It's a really good value for 50 bucks. So if you're interested in signing up for FabFitFun, I put my referral link in the space below, and you get $10 off your first box. But you have to go through somebody's referral link in order to get that discount. So if you choose to use my link, thank you very much, because I get a little bit of a kickback from that. I think I might get, I don't know, $15 or something off my subscription. So all you have to do is just go to the FabFitFun website through my link and then sign up, and you get that. Now, here's another thing. FabFitFun does do trial boxes. And if you're interested, I have some to give away. I think I might have 4 to give away to any of you who have never been members of FabFitFun before. So what you need to do, because I think I need to put in your email in order for them to send you the trial box. So send an email to me at busybeingjen@gmail.com. So BusyBeingJen, Jen spelled with one N, busybeingjen@gmail.com, and just give me your email address and say that you're interested in the trial box, and then I'll have that sent to you. And what you get is a box that has 4 full-size items. So for example, they might send you this, and they might send you the sunglasses, and they might send you the diffuser, and they might send you the water bottle. So instead of getting the 8 things that I get in my box, you would get half of that. And so it's a one-time only thing, but it gives you a chance to experience FabFitFun. It is free, absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything else for the box. It's absolutely free. And a really nice way to try out FabFitFun to see if you might like to get it. So hopefully you liked this video, and hopefully it was helpful for you. If you want to be a subscriber to my channel, just hit that button right there, and then YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos, which is a lot. I do a lot of different kinds of videos on this channel, including vlog videos if you're interested in those. And I would love to have you come along on Busy Being Jen. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you again. Take care. Bye.